Finishing setting down my graham crackers here. I just split each large piece in two. Now we'll go ahead and slide that over and bring in our bowl. Here we have a cup of powdered sugar, dump right in there. A half cup of butter. You want that nice and melted. We have some vanilla. We'll add a half of a tablespoon of vanilla. Perfect. And now we have some delicious peanut butter that we are just gonna pour right out there, you guys. We're gonna add about a cup to a cup and a half of peanut butter. Just get as much out of this little 16-ounce jar here that we can. All right, that looks absolutely delicious. Yum, I cannot wait to show you guys what we're making here. Let's go ahead and start to mix all of that together, combining the powdered sugar with the peanut butter and the butter. Wow, this is looking so good, you guys. It smells so tasty. We are off to a great start. Look at that delicious peanut butter mixture. This is the perfect consistency. We're gonna grab ourselves a little ball of peanut butter and just transfer it right over onto our graham cracker, just like this, you guys. This is so super easy, and holy cow, you know what I'm thinking? Have you ever had a Buckeye? Where are you from? You know, I am from Ohio, and let me tell you what, every single time I go back home, I make it a point, I have to go to the candy shop and get myself some chocolate Buckeyes. But these, I swear, I don't know, I think that they might even be better. So let us know in the comments where you're from, where are you watching from? Do you have a certain treat or candy that your state is known for, like the Buckeye? Tell me all about it, because that's exciting, right? Okay. Here we go, look at that. Those look so good. I'm just gonna come in with my spatula and just lightly spread it over, just nice and quickly. I just wanna cover the peanut butter right on top of that graham cracker. So you'll just do the same exact thing. You can use your spatula, you can use your knife, whatever it works for you is just fine. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're just gonna go through all of these and evenly spread the peanut butter out right on top of that graham cracker right there. These look super tasty. I am actually gonna pop them in the fridge just for a couple minutes because I want it to get really cold and solidify that peanut butter a little bit that I just whipped up. So stick around because we have another step and it's going to make these just amazing. These are coming along great. So far, so good. Now check this out. Here I have a little bit of melted chocolate. Wow, also one of my favorite things ever. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this little graham cracker square with the peanut butter on it. We're gonna put it right here in the chocolate. Look at that, we're just gonna coat this whole thing in chocolate. Yes, that is what I'm talking about right there, you guys. Then we'll just lift it right out. It stays together so nicely because those squares are nice and cold. And then we'll just transfer it right here over to our baking sheet. Wow, you guys, these are looking so fantastic. Look, you can tell that the chocolate is already starting to harden around those squares. Oh, these are gonna be so fantastic. Have you seen these before? These Reese's peanut butter chips? Grab yourself some of those. You can see I already melted them up in this cup. And because we're extra fancy today, we're gonna take it and we're just gonna let it slowly drip right out there. And we're just gonna create a little drizzle right over top of these squares. These look so amazing. I'm gonna let them cool down just a little bit, and then I wanna bite into it and show you guys the layers of the chocolate and then that peanut butter with the powdered sugar, the butter and the vanilla mixture that we made, and the graham cracker. Oh, you're gonna love it. All right, you guys, it's the moment that we've been waiting for. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Oh, they look so good. I'm gonna take this one right in the front. Look at that peanut butter swirl. Look at how perfect that is actually, and look at the chocolate fully coated the whole bottom and everything. Holy cow, are you ready for this? So good. Look at that peanut butter inside. Look at that chocolate. Oh my gosh, you guys. All right, my son's over here. He's like eyeballing me. Come on, Kai. Come and have one. Here you go. Tell me what you think. Take a bite. Wow, you guys, these are better than Buckeyes. These are the jackpot right here. How good is that? So good. All right, we are gonna mow down on these before dinner. Whoops, I totally just said that. I hope you guys enjoy this, and we'll see you later.